To customize Google Analytics filters, start by understanding the different types of filters available, including predefined and custom filters. Predefined filters are pre-built filters that can be applied to your data, such as excluding traffic from a specific IP address or including only a specific domain. Custom filters, on the other hand, allow you to create your own filters based on specific conditions. To create a custom filter, navigate to the admin section of your Google Analytics account and select the view for which you want to create the filter. Click on Filters and then click on the New button to create a new filter. Choose the type of filter you want to create, such as an include or exclude filter, and select the field you want to filter on, such as country or browser type. Next, enter the criteria for the filter, such as a specific country or browser type. You can also use regular expressions to create more complex filters. For example, you can use a regular expression to include all traffic from a specific domain and its subdomains. Once you have created your filter, apply it to your view and test it to make sure it is working as expected. It is also important to note that filters are applied in the order they are listed, so the order of your filters can affect the data that is included in your reports. Best practices for customizing Google Analytics filters include testing your filters thoroughly to make sure they are working as expected and documenting your filters so that you can easily understand what each filter is doing. It is also a good idea to create a backup of your original data before applying filters, in case you need to restore your original data. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively customize Google Analytics filters to get the most out of your data and make informed decisions about your website or application. Custom filters can help you to exclude irrelevant data, include specific data, and analyze your data in more detail, allowing you to gain a deeper understanding of your users and their behavior.